Hey guys, this is just a quick demo of LiveWebinar. So as you can see, inside LiveWebinar you can create rooms, permanent rooms. So it's like a virtual meeting room. You can create evergreen events as well, and of course scheduled events. So you can do like a instant meeting in here, schedule a webinar. Okay, so you can actually have participants invited inside the platform. So so while that's loading, yep, we can send them an email. Okay, so right now it's just email. So you can access also your recordings and other files inside the LiveWebinar account. Okay, so my recordings are in here. Tests and surveys, you can also create them right inside LiveWebinar. So you can ask for feedback or create a new poll. You can also have a call to action to say click on a certain link. Okay, so you can have like this one, call to action. So basically you can create it. So you can assign presenters. Can have forms for your events, registration forms, and you can actually have a custom branded room. Let me just quickly show you one of the permanent rooms. Okay, so it's currently loading right now. Okay, so I think they're having some trouble. Okay, so it's loaded right now. So as you can see, it's a custom branded screen. So you can turn off your audio or video in here. You can do your participants. So this one is a meeting type orientation, so you can use the webinar template they have. Okay, so this is, you can actually share it from here. So they have a lot of players. You can do live stream, you can do whiteboard. Okay, so going back to the main dashboard, you can actually do some integrations in here like Zapier, or you can link it to one of these tools like HubSpot. Okay, so you'll also have reports for every event, session, feedback, or rating. So with this one, you can actually have a assistant. You can assign 3 assistants in here. Depends on your plan. So I guess that's it. Thanks for watching and see you.